What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode, we're exploring this beautiful estate on the river. We are about 15 to 20 minutes drive to downtown, just to give you an idea. Across the way from the river, we are in the North Thomas, and we are very close to the garden highway that gets us to this place here. This property is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, currently on the market for close to $3 million here on 1.4 acres, built in 2007. Special thank you for the listing agent to allow me to tour this property today. Without further ado, let's go for the tour. Hey, if it's the first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there's to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like this beautiful property on the river here in Sacramento, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you too can be the first to know about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu. I am a local licensed real estate agent here from the state of California. Let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day that want to move into Sacramento. I'm very happy to help them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen right now. And without further ado, let's go through this beautiful tour of this property on the river. All right, let's start from the front of the property. In the backdrop, as you guys can see, you have a little mountain range here. Huh? You have a view of downtown Sacramento. Over there, we're on the Garden Highway here, and the property we're going to tour is this one here, 1.4 acres, and I very feel like I'm in actually a resort when I step inside the property here. Lovely front yard, very well manicured and maintained, a 4-car garage. This house has a metal roof, which is nice. It lasts for quite a bit. As we walk in, we pass next to the 4-car garage. You have a walkway, concrete walkway that gets you into the front of the house. And let's go inside this beautiful property here in Sacramento. As we enter, we have a choice if you're getting into the main living space or going up to the stairs here on the top here on the left side and the right side. You have a bedroom and this is an ensuite here. You have a half bath also here right at the entrance of the property. Getting into the master now. The master is on the main floor of the property, and really just a big master, king size bed, a view with your private access to the balcony here, and a view of the landscaped backyard, obviously with the river as a main focal point. Your ensuite, the master suite as is on freestanding tub, beautiful double sink vanity, and probably one of my favorite shower I've seen so far this year. Not so much because of the space, but because of the view it provides. It looks like you're actually in Florida or in one of these tropical destinations you can find when you're in a resort. So quite a nice side from this master suite. Here on, we have the laundry space, side by side washer and dryer, a little sink to pre-wash your clothes. Go down this hallway. Here we have the 4-car garage with all this cabinetry, red Ferrari cabinetry. Quite a bit of room. 4-car garage with epoxy on the floor and a lot of room to put all your equipment to go on the beach as well. This property is equipped with a green, so we're going to explore this as well. You can tell it's a large family that can live here, have all the equipment to go on the river. And what I really love about this is even in socks, you can get access to your property, to the back of the property in the riverbank without getting your socks wet, because all of this is paved. On the left side here, you have a little ADU. That would be good for good pool equipment, maybe a little office. A beautiful view of your private green here. And if we continue walking down the couple stairs, we have access to the backyard, fully closed fencing property, and access to your riverbank. I mean, look at these beautiful trees, beautiful landscape. You can tell this property has been here for a while, and this tree has been here even longer. turning around and look at this. Your private access, your private beach here in Sacramento. This can accommodate probably a jet ski, a small boat. You have access to the river down here. If we continue on, check this beautiful frontage of this property. 1.4 acres, and this massive estate sits very well on the lot. I like the fact this is set up pretty far on the lot, so you have a lot of backyard and enough room if you want to have a big party here. And obviously utilizing your boat dock right here in the back here, so you have some fishermen in the backdrop here. And I love the fact they actually fenced in a good portion of the yard, so you can have some privacies with your neighbors. Everything is locked in, and obviously you have access to the rest of the property. All right, we're back inside, and we're going to continue with the tour of the property, with obviously the main living space and the main living room as well. So as we're progressing through the property, we have this beautiful living room here, and I want you guys to pay attention to this beautiful fireplace cladding that goes all the way to the ceiling here. And cladding is made with this dark granite, and it contrasts very well with the rest of the house. The light maple floor, the big beam on the top here that connects the living room to the kitchen area. And obviously you cannot miss it. It's like the entire wall is glass, so you have a full exposure of the riverbank in the backdrop here. So beautiful sight here on this property. Double waterfall on the island. So now we're getting into the kitchen area, the main entertainment area for this room. You have your double waterfall, the first one here closer to the oven, the other side here as you enter. It really creates a nice finished look for this island. 3 cylinders in the front. Your wood vent here is a Viking, a 6-burner. And I just want to give you pan out just step back a couple steps, and you can have a look actually of this living room, kitchen area, your formal dining room here with a view of obviously the river. The second waterfall is right here, and a lot of these cabinetries with a lounge, KitchenAid, fridge. Love this backsplash, decent size pantry, and we have a little office. Let's go to the side here. We're going to explore the side of the rest of the house here from this point of view. Obviously you can have access through all these bay windows here. A lot of decking to have parties and entertainments, and this beautiful outdoor kitchen here. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these 2 videos. I hope you enjoyed this video too. I will see you at the next one. In the meantime, I give you another sneak peek of what's going on behind me on this beautiful property at Riverbank here in Sacramento. See ya!